The Automine subtab within the Modeling tab is a great way to see exactly how statistical relationships in your dataset are being determined. Once you've loaded in your data, if no y variable is selected, you will see that the Automine results are not calculated. By choosing a y variable from your dataset, the software will automatically run tests to see which variables are related and which are not. For continuous variables, this includes numeric transformations in addition to the linear term, things like the squared term, the natural log, and others. For categorical variables, it will create and then test binaries for each individual category. Visiting this tab is not usually necessary for most users, since auto-mining will take place on its own. However, it does present useful capabilities. First, if there is a variable that you included in your modeling dataset for descriptive or categorizing purposes that would not make sense to use within a model, you may right-click on any such variable to exclude it and its transforms from modeling. Additionally, if you only want to rule out individual transformations, you may expand the variable to exclude specific levels. An alternative process is forcing a variable to be available. The modeling portion of this tab will present you with all the variables that passed the test of significance. By default, those that did not will not be candidates for modeling. In order to ensure that variables are candidates for modeling, regardless of the test statistics Analytics calculates, you can right-click and force availability. Beyond that, you may change the level of significance used for testing, which can also be configured as a global setting in the Tools and Options window.